Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I am Isma Jaring, welcoming you to this video lecture of physics of class 9-10. Today I am going to discuss about the concept of heat and temperature from chapter 6, that is from the chapter named Effect of Heat on Matter. We know that there are three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. In solid, molecules are in very close to each other. When the molecules of solid are heated, then these molecules vibrate about their fixed positions. The more the molecules of a solid are heated, the more the vibration increases. If the molecules becomes free by overcoming the intermolecular forces among them, then the solid changes its state and becomes liquid. Liquid. Molecules of liquid move randomly among themselves. Since the molecules are in motion, they have kinetic energy. The more the molecules are heated, the faster they will move. If the molecules are heated more, they may be completely free from their intermolecular forces. Then the liquid changes its state and becomes a gas. Gas. The molecules of gas move faster with greater kinetic energy. The more the gas will be heated, the faster its molecules will move. The more the velocity, the more the kinetic energy. Heat. Heat is a form of energy which produces sensation of hotness or coldness. Or heat is a form of energy which obtained due to molecular vibrations or motion of a substance. The SI unit of heat is joule, that is denoted by J, and there is another unit, that is calorie. We know that heat is denoted by Q and it is an energy. For that, Q equals to L square M and T inverse square. It is the dimension of heat. What is joule? If a force of 1 Newton is applied to a body such that the point of application of the force moves a distance of 1 meter to the direction of the force, then the work done is said to be 1 joule. What is calorie? The amount of heat energy required to increase the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius is called 1 calorie. And the relation between these two are 1 calorie equals to 4.2 joule and 1 joule equals to 0.24 calorie. Now look at this picture. The flow of heat energy does not depend on the amount of heat. It depends on the temperature. If two bodies of different temperatures come in contact with each other, always heat transfers from the body of higher temperature to the body of lower temperature until the temperature of the two bodies becomes equal. So we can say temperature is like the height of the water and heat is as like the volume of liquid. Now what is temperature? Temperature is the thermal condition of a body which indicates whether the body will receive heat or give out heat when it is in thermal contact with another body. Or temperature is the measure of average kinetic energy of the molecules of matter. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin, which is denoted by capital K. There are other units as Celsius or degree Celsius, Fahrenheit or degree Fahrenheit. We can make differences between heat and temperature as follows. Number 1. Heat is a form of energy which produces sensation of hotness or coldness. Temperature is the thermal condition of a body which indicates whether the body will receive heat or give out heat when it is in thermal contact with another body. 2. Flow of heat does not depend on the amount of heat. Flow of heat depends on temperature. 3. The unit of measurement of heat is joule. The unit of measurement of temperature is Kelvin. 4. The amount of heat possessed by two bodies may be different even if their temperature is the same. Temperature of two bodies may be different even if the amount of heat possessed by them is the same. 5. The instrument that is used to measure heat is called calorimeter. The instrument that is used to measure temperature is called thermometer. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.